our voice against all these evils which are there in the society from such a long time. And education is the only way to get rid of them, to eradicate them from our lives, from our society. So good effort, children. But my one small suggestion to you all is, I keep telling you about talking dictionary. There are certain words which you pronounce wrong. So please look into the dictionary. There is no word called precious. It is precious. Then there is no word called hurt. It's heart. Hurt means you get chot lag gayi. That is hurt. Heart. There were few other words also. So be careful. Go through the talking dictionary. Even I consulted. At the age of 60, I consult dictionary. Audio dictionary, talking dictionary, because sometimes I also get confused with the pronunciation. So please go through it, see where you find there is a little bit of doubt, clarify it from the talking dictionary. These days, you don't need anybody. When we were small, we needed teachers, we needed so many other learned people, to ask, and we had to keep uncle, auntie, please bata do, mummy bata do, papa bata do. Ab to aapko beta, you don't need anybody. There is Google Baba and there is so much in the net you can find. So please help yourselves, and talking dictionary is a very important instrument. Use it very often, and good effort. More children should be encouraged. So please see that you all make little bit other your buddies, as I said in the last one also, your friends, your buddies, to come and join you in the gang of our speakers. And you have wonderful voices. Some of you got deep, sonorous voices, lovely voices. And you can be RJs and DJs, right? So all the best, and glad so many of teachers could also find time to join. So thank you very much. And thank you, children, for having given us the opportunity to ponder on these topics, to think about these topics, which we have sort of accepted. Ki theek hai, aisa hota hai. But no, we should put a foot down and we are not going to accept it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining, and thank you all the teachers. They made possible to join this in such a busy schedule. Thank you so much, and children, well done. Keep it up. Next time it must be better. Think over the whatever ma'am has said. There must not be any pronunciation problems next time. So take care of such things also, and remember one thing: you are no less than other children. You have done a wonderful job. So keep it up.
Not at all. Not at all. You are very good. You are no less me. You are very good. Really good. I appreciate the work that is being done by you. And you all spoke very well, confidently. Your voice was not shaking. So very good. Well done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Betty.
Nidhi ma'am has asked a question. What if people don't understand and they keep on taking dowry?
What they keep on taking dowry? There, the groom and the bride, they both have to take a step, and the bride has to be very, very powerful. If she's financially independent, she has to say, well, I'm not going to give dowry. I'm not going to get married to a person who's asking for dowry. So I think the problem will get sorted out. If she's financially independent, so it's a mutual running the house, isn't it? And oppressing, beating, all these things would definitely go away when she's financially independent.
And Rudra, we need to teach boys also. We need to teach boys how to take care of women, how to take care of their mothers, sisters, wives, whatever. We have to teach them also. We have to educate them also. We have to send this. This is an awareness program. What you are doing right now, there's a thought process behind it. So you will be educating 10 more boys through this. So these programs will help in reducing such kind of problems.
Evils from the society, and also will develop your personality. It will give you immense confidence to be able to handle tricky situations when they come in your life. Your communication skills will go way ahead, and give you a lot of confidence. So great job, good job. You're no less than, you're good. Don't
Yes.
ever underestimate yourself. Yes.
Thank you, Abhikrit, also for helping us in conducting this meeting. He was ready to help for recording. Thank you so
Good.
much, Abhikrit, also.
Welcome
Good,
back.
good teamwork. All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Be happy. Keep smiling. All the
Yes, ma'am.
best.
Yes, Abhikrit, you can end the meeting.